Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, September 29th. The Zen story for today is titled The Room with One Cushion. The pair arrived just before 2. The sign on the gate read, Group Meditation, 2 p.m., all welcome. So they entered. The room was large, echoes resting in the corners like folded robes. 30 cushions were arranged in neat rows, each the same muted color, worn in identical ways, except one. Near the center sat an old cushion, darker than the rest, frayed at the seams. Someone had sat there long enough to make a dent deep enough for memory to curl up in. "Where is everyone?" the monkey asked. The monk shrugged. The light filtering through the rice paper walls began to change. They waited. No one came. No gong was struck. No master appeared. No others shuffled in to nod and kneel and breathe in rhythm. Just the sound of wind fussing in the rafters and the faint tick of something inside the monk slowing down. "Well, this is boring," the monkey said, sprawled across 3 cushions. "Group meditation with no group? Classic false advertising." The monk did not respond. The monkey sat up. "You know this is a waste of time, right?" Still no answer. The monkey stood, circled once, then twice, then muttered, "Fine, I'll go find something that moves," and left. The monk stayed. Breath, a creak, stillness. It wasn't loud. It wasn't light. It wasn't bliss. But something began to fall away. Not like leaves in wind, more like color fading from old cloth. A presence that didn't announce itself. The cushion did not grow warmer. The room didn't grow brighter. But something else did. And outside, far down the corridor, the monkey sneezed. Twice, as if something had just left him. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Have you ever discovered something deeper, not through presence, but through absence? Have you ever discovered something deeper, not through presence, but through absence? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Have you ever discovered something deeper, not through presence, but through absence? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.